Good morning, Duke Boy Nation. It's Nick Mac here. It's October 2nd, a Thursday at like 8 in the morning. This weekend we're going up to Kearney, conquer some West Algonquin ATV trails. Should be good. It's always a good time in Kearney. This time we're staying at Edgewater, but we're staying on the off-site cottage. It's really nice. I've stayed in it before. So sit back, relax, grab a beer, and enjoy the show. Oh, here's my ride. We get packed up and get on the road. All right, guys, let's do this. We got Lumberjack Ty over there, the only man without a machine. Thanks, man. So she's sitting good, Dumber?
Oh yeah,
we're good to go. We're good to go. Ty's got shotgun, I guess I got back seats.
Many unbearable hours later.
All right, we got to Kearney. Look at this setup we got going on here. We got this house. And there is a bunkie here. They don't rent out the bunkie to other people. So we got this place all to ourselves. Big ass patio. Got a fire pit. It's an awesome little setup. Putting the tractor beer in there. Lug light.
Trying to watch my figure.
Trying to watch your figure. Beers ain't cancer, man. So you walk in, there's a mudroom, kitchen, dining area. Cookies. Look at Ty's eating Chris's already. Living room. I forgot, we gotta go to the bathroom here. Full bathroom downstairs. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Patio, TV, Ty. Walk up the stairs. Here's the master bedroom. It's pretty big. Here's my bedroom. This is the other bedroom. Kind of nice, guys. Like this is, you pay for what you get, I guess. Yeah, I gotta unpack. Look at that fugly ugly. Alright, we're going for a rip.
This is how far down is that?
It goes down quite a bit, man. Just be careful when you no. I was hoping you were gonna go backwards on that. Nice, nice.
Oh my goodness!
I imagine this is all in the water and straight. Dude, I got gum all over me. What? So I got gum all over me. How? I tried to take my gum out to throw it out, and it got stuck all over my hand. Huh? Deep? This is some winds here.
That's deep too. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, a bit deeper. He's stuck? I'm starting to get worried now. Oh, he's on a rock. There you go. I'm surprised there's even water in this hole. How do you think the 32s are going to do? As soon as he gets
the next day.
Ty's raw dogging it. Raw dogging it with some randoms. No comment?
No comment.
Ty won't be navigator, eh, Chris? What's with that?
Ty's got one job and he can't
One
do
job
that
today.
right
Won't be not
look
navigator. Not navigator. Oh, pantyhose fell. Who gave this guy Baileys this morning?
Nice.
No Baileys in the coffee for you. That was it. That's all he did.
Ladies, he's still single.
Yeah, he's single and ready to mingle.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, welcome day 2. We are headed out. Go see if we can actually find some trails. Found a lot of road yesterday.
Actually,
Hopefully we find a lot of trails today. We got Chris on his Canam Outlander XTP XMR conversion. And I'm rocking the Maverick today. And I got passenger princess with me. All right, let's hit the trails. Yeah! Hi guy, passenger princess time. We're just having a little stop here off of trail 30. We're on 36, yeah. Found a nice lake to come down and check out. Ty wants some Tinder pics. Oh, this is a beauty out here, man. This is like a natural boat launch here, eh? That's what they're doing. They're probably fishing out of here. Let's see how well the fin trail do. Oh, fuck, that gets deep quick. It's already up to my knees. Yeah, fin trail working well. Look at Ty do the hair thing for your Tinder. There you go. Get the brows in there. The brows. Look what he's looking at. Look, ladies, look, he's pointing. Oh my. Oh, it's a shame to let this go. But we got a soldier on, boys. Let's go. This hole, it's kind of suspect. We're on tail 42. I think someone's gotten stuck here before. You want a winch thing for your thing? Your winch strap?
Oh, it's a Can-Am one.
It's a Can-Am one too. It's seen better days, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna cross this. Let's turn around. We just got stuck anyways. Didn't want to get stuck again, right, Ty? Right, Ty.
liking our epic adventure today?
So far, still good, bud.
He says we're razzing him too much.
Oh,
You know we're gonna keep doing it, right? Huh?
but it yelled throttle on.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
That's Throttle Addicts.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to their channel on YouTube. Throttle Addicts. They ride with adrenaline junkies too, so they like spicy stuff. Ty, let's see your smash sandwich. That's not that bad. Like, look at these bad boys, man. Like, look at that.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It just lost all the
Hair.
yeah, the top. The cheese is everywhere.
Yeah. Good thing you didn't put mayo on them.
Really?
Oh, did you?
Yeah. You got recipe.
All right. Cheers, boys. Oh, more lakes on lakes on lakes. There's something big down here. Something wants to go play with the bill. Through the culvert. Holy hold this. We're gonna about to get real here. That's a lot easier than it looked. It looks like they got around. They're going around that way, I guess.
Another one, eh?
Yeah.
Like, what's the difference about the swamp? Got another water crossing here. Deep. That was deep. Deep there, man.